So I checked everything in the house. I even checked the outlet to make sure all the wires were secured and tight. And then, by coincidence, I went upstairs and found out that I had a power supply plugged into the upstairs TV for a cable box that we no longer had. And by pure coincidence, I found a power supply adapter, AC to DC adapter, that I thought I would try out. This is the one that was with our cable box. It looks like a piece of shit made in China. And the adapter AC to DC power supply I found upstairs was rated at 100 to 127 volts. It was rated at 2.7 amps. And it was a lot heavier than this. And it also had a ferrite bead in the DC output that this one doesn't have. This is the one that came with the Xfinity box. This one doesn't have a ferrite bead. And also the one that was upstairs, which was a Motorola, was a lot heavier than this. And this one seemed a little chintzy. And I said, you know what, let me try it. And it actually had, if you look here, it actually had the same connections. The center, you see here, the outer is negative, the inner is positive. The one upstairs was the exact same, and it had the exact same connector on it. So get this. Our old cable box had a Motorola AC to DC power supply. This one seemed a little lighter than the one we had upstairs, and it's already plugged in to our modem. And I guess what I'm trying to tell you is the problem is solved. The air conditioner has cycled many times. I'm not going to like take the camera behind our TV set and our cable box now, but the bottom line is this one doesn't have a ferrite bead. This one was a lot lighter. So I'm guessing the Motorola AC to DC adapter is a lot more robust. It has I'm guessing based on the weight, a better transformer, rectifier, capacitor, and the air conditioning has been cycling all day long. And since I swapped this one out, this lightweight piece of crap, we have not had a outage on our cable all day long with the AC cycling on and off. So the bottom line is, if you have any electronic device that's cycling on and off, it might be the AC to DC power supply. And this one was a piece of crap. It's light, it's cheap. They didn't even take the steps of having a ferrite bead on there, which every electronic device has a ferrite bead on the DC output now. But this one didn't even take the measures to doing that. And since I've swapped this out with the one in the house now, that was a Motorola, and I don't even know what this is. It's not even a Motorola. It's made by Comcast. This came with Xfinity. It's you can tell there it's used for multiple models of the cable box probably, but since I replaced this, we have not had an outage. So if you ever have an outage with an electronic device, consider the adapter. Thanks for tuning in. The problem is solved. No more cable outages.